In this video, you'll learn how to set an automatic bid on eBay. By the end of this guide, you will be able to place automatic bids on auction items, ensuring you have a chance to win without constant monitoring. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, use the search bar at the top to find the auction item you are interested in. After entering the relevant keywords, click on the search icon. This takes you to the search results page where you can browse through the listings. When you locate the desired item, click on its title to open the listing page. It is essential to review the current bid price, auction end time, and seller ratings before proceeding to. Make sure the item you're considering is listed as an auction and not as a buy it now option. Carefully read the product description and shipping details to ensure you understand what you are bidding on. Confirm that you agree with the seller's terms and conditions, as this will affect your buying experience. Once you have reviewed all the necessary information and are satisfied, you can move on to the bidding process. Next, locate the bid box on the listing page. In the bid box, enter the maximum amount you are willing to pay for the item. eBay uses a system known as proxy bidding, which means it will automatically place incremental bids on your behalf. The platform will increase your bid gradually if someone outbids you up to your maximum amount. Importantly, your maximum bid remains hidden from other buyers, allowing you to maintain a competitive edge. Review your maximum bid carefully before proceeding to ensure it aligns with your budget. When ready, click the button labeled Place Bid to activate automatic bidding. After placing your bid, you can monitor the auction through the bids and offers section of your eBay account. This area will show you any notifications if you're outbid. If you find that you are outbid and wish to remain competitive, you have the option to increase your maximum bid. Keep an eye on the auction's progress, as the auction will end at a specified time. It is crucial to wait until the auction concludes to determine if you have won the item. If you are successful in winning the auction, proceed to payment promptly to secure your purchase. Additionally, keep track of auction deadlines to ensure you do not miss out on any potential bids or payment opportunities. Being aware of your internet speed and the file size of images or descriptions can also enhance your overall experience on the platform.